One of the most underappreciated sectors in tech is age tech. And AARP has been doing for many years now some really fascinating things to try and bring more attention to technology focused on older people. I have with me Rick Robinson. Is that right?
That's right.
He's the VP of the HTech Collaborative, which is a initiative that brings together lots of different startups, and they've been doing some really interesting things here. So tell us about the HTech Collaborative.
Yeah, thanks for having me. So HTech Collaborative from AARP is a little over a couple of years old, and it's our effort to find the best, most modern startups and entrepreneurs doing things in the age tech space. That's health tech, that's fintech, solutions that are going to make aging easier for everyone. Then we bring them into our incubator, into our accelerator program. We help get them best prepared to deliver their product to the market, which is a multi-trillion-dollar market that a lot of people are overlooking. Then we sometimes invest in the companies, and finally we graduate them into the collaborative, which is almost 400 companies strong, including large enterprises, investors, testbed organizations, and the goal is for everybody in the collaborative to help one another deliver great products, ultimately to the consumer, meeting them where they are.
Yeah, so if you can pan over, you can sort of see the size of this booth. It's really fascinating. So the structure of it here is that you've got all of these different startups in this entire space, and there's a whole area that's teamed up with Samsung Health as well. There's a stage all the way across on the side there, and there's actually a live presentation happening right now. And you've also done some really interesting things where you went down to Eureka Park, which is the area that has all the startups, and you offered them a golden ticket.
We did.
So tell us about that.
So we know that we're not able to reach everybody. We run pitch competitions in hopes of finding companies or helping companies find us, pitch to us, but we know there's so many others out there, small companies, individuals who are doing really incredible things. So we thought, let's go find them and identify some that we think are doing age tech in a really interesting, novel way. And we gave some of them a golden ticket, which was actually their opportunity to come onto our stage and pitch that solution and maybe work with us. So it was a way for us to just find companies we might not otherwise see and help raise them up. So we're doing everything we can to find the best, most interesting, most forward-thinking tech companies who are building age tech products.
So fascinating initiatives from AARP as a leader in the world of reaching people who are older, but also now curating some of the amazing startups and all of these people who are making this age tech and bringing it to the rest of the world. It's a great example of exactly what CES could be, which is a showcase for bringing all of these different things together and launching them out into the world. Rick, thank you so much for joining me.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you.